everyone, welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, where we turn everyday spaces into dream destinations. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever looked at a stunning garden and wondered what makes it look so perfectly defined and put together? The secret is often right at the edges. Today, we're diving into the essential, yet often overlooked, element of outdoor design. Stone edging for landscaping. It's the simple upgrade that can completely transform your curb appeal. Stay tuned because we're not only telling you why you need it, but we're also showing you the top 10 best stone edging ideas using your incredible inspiration photos. Let's get started. Stone edging for landscaping is essentially the physical border or barrier constructed from natural or manufactured stone. Materials used to separate different areas of your outdoor space. Think of it as the picture frame for your garden beds, walkways, or lawn. Its purpose is both aesthetic and functional. Aesthetically, it provides a clean, crisp line that elevates the entire look, giving a professional and finished appearance. Functionally, it acts as a retainer, keeping mulch, soil, and gravel contained within their designated zones and preventing grass from creeping into your flower beds. This boundary can range from a single row of small, neatly placed cobblestones to a towering multi-tiered drill-stacked retaining wall. It's the foundational design element that brings organization and structure to the organic chaos of your garden. The benefits of incorporating stone edging into your landscape design are numerous, extending far beyond simple beauty. Firstly, it offers superior maintenance control. By clearly defining the edge, stone edging prevents lawn grass runners from invading your garden beds and keeps mulch or decorative stones from spilling out onto the lawn or pathways. This significantly reduces the time you spend weeding and tidying. Secondly, stone acts as an excellent retaining material, holding soil and moisture in place, which is particularly beneficial on sloped yards where erosion can be a major issue. This soil retention helps your plants thrive. Thirdly, it enhances safety and functionality, especially along walkways, by creating a stable, level boundary that prevents tripping hazards where different surfaces meet. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, stone edging massively boosts curb appeal and property value, creating a high-end, bespoke look that is durable and timeless. Decorating your stone edging successfully involves integrating it seamlessly with the rest of your landscape design. The key is to think about texture, color, and height. Choose a stone color that either complements or contrasts with your home's exterior and existing hardscaping, such as your patio or driveway, for instance. Cool gray stone against a warm brick home offers a striking contrast. To soften the look of the stone and enhance the decoration, use layered plantings. Place taller shrubs or ornamental grasses behind the edging, medium-height flowering plants right up to the edge, and trailing ground cover plants that slightly drape over the stones. For a truly professional touch, incorporate low-voltage landscape lighting. Small spotlights or path lights placed strategically along the stone border will illuminate the texture of the stone at night, creating dramatic shadows and transforming your yard into a magical nighttime retreat. The best items for stone edging depend entirely on your desired style and budget, but generally fall into three main categories. Natural stone is the premium choice, offering unmatched character and durability. This includes fieldstone, flagstone, granite, and stacked slate. These often have irregular shapes, perfect for creating a rustic, organic look. The next great option is precast concrete edging blocks or interlocking paper. These are highly uniform, easier to install, and come in various shapes and colors, providing a clean, contemporary finish at a more budget-friendly price point. Finally, for a more dramatic, structural look, consider using large boulders or decorative river rocks. These larger elements are fantastic for creating dry riverbeds, natural-looking pond borders, or a bold perimeter for trees. Always choose non-porous materials that can withstand your climate's specific challenges. Now, for the inspiration you've been waiting for, here are the compilation of the top 10 stone edging for landscaping ideas for your next project. 1. The winding white limestone border. This idea uses smooth, creamy white limestone blocks laid in a gentle, serpentine curve. The bright stone provides a stunning visual contrast against the deep green lawn and the vibrant colors of the red and yellow flower arrangements, creating a high-end manicured appearance that guides the eye naturally through the landscape. Modern modular retaining wall edging, showcasing a highly functional and modern approach. This design uses interlocking gray-toned precast concrete blocks. The uniform size and slightly rough texture create a sturdy, miniature retaining wall that beautifully elevates the lush garden bed, preventing erosion and providing a crisp, clean separation from the grass. 3. Rustic thin stack slate layering. This natural design features thin, irregular pieces of multi-hued slate stacked horizontally to form a low wall. The warm, earthy tones and varied textures of the stone give the landscape a very organic, cottage garden feel, perfectly bordering the mulch bed and providing a subtle barrier against the lawn. For block paver edging on a contemporary white wall. This sleek design uses small, uniform block pavers to create a clean, subtle edge between the thick, dark mulch and the manicured lawn. The small-scale edging is a grounding feature against the backdrop of a crisp, white retaining wall, proving that subtle texture can make a huge impact in a modern setting. 5. Low-profile fieldstone tree ring. A simple, elegant way to protect a mature tree. This design utilizes irregularly shaped, flat fieldstones stacked just 1 or 2 layers high. The natural stone blends beautifully with the bark mulch, creating a soft, flowing curve that defines the tree bed and protects the roots while enhancing the home's brick facade. 6. Boulder and stacked stone floral border. This vibrant garden bed uses a combination of natural, rugged boulders and horizontally stacked, earthy stones. The varied sizes and shapes of the stone create an incredibly organic, textured border that complements the wild, colorful mix of perennial flowers and grasses, adding depth and visual interest. 7. Massive dry stacked ledge stone driveway border. Perfect for defining boundaries on slopes or along driveways. This robust edge uses large, flat pieces of natural ledge stone laid without mortar. The sheer size and rugged surface of the stone create a powerful, imposing border that directs traffic and provides a significant contrast to the smooth, exposed aggregate driveway. 8. Elegant front yard sandstone retainers. This showcases a beautifully integrated design where curved, natural sandstone retaining walls define the planting beds against the home's stone exterior. The multiple tiers and gentle curves provide structure to the front lawn's slope, framing the entire entrance with rich, coordinated stone texture. 9. Naturalized boulder pond edging. This creative idea uses large, irregular river boulders to create a natural, informal border around a small water feature or pond. The use of different sized rocks creates visual realism, making the water look like a natural body, complete with a small wooden deck and aquatic plants. 10. Pebble and paver path border. Instead of grass, this idea uses smooth river rocks and dark mulch as a beautiful contrast to a paver walkway. The large, rounded pebbles are contained by the path's edge, creating a low-maintenance textural border that is both visually appealing and highly effective at controlling runoff and weeds. As you can see, stone edging is far more than just a line in the sand. It's the backbone of a professional, organized, and high-impact landscape design. Whether you opt for the clean lines of modular blocks or the rustic charm of stacked slate, this one addition will dramatically improve your yard's maintenance and curb appeal. It's an investment that offers a huge return in both beauty and functionality. We hope these 10 ideas have sparked your own landscaping dreams. Which of these stone edging ideas are you planning to use in your home? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more easy tips and incredible inspiration for your home. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss our next design guide. Happy decorating, and we'll see you in the next video.